Imagine a dangerous-looking bird with a beak that looks like a giant shoe. Meet the shoebill. It stands motionless for hours, then strikes in a split second, swallowing fish, reptiles, even baby crocodiles whole. Scientists call it one of the world's dumbest birds. It can stare at its food for minutes, deciding whether to eat it or not. One of God's most incredible creations. Only a few thousand shoebills remain in the wild. Protect them before they're gone.